up mga KAMANIX? Another day, it's another vlog. So I'm here right now in Port Royale Waterpark here in Dumaguete mga KAMANIX. So ang gagawin natin mga KAMANIX, we're going to check it out ang Port Royale here in this resort mga KAMANIX, para makita nyo naman kung ano meron dito sa Port Royale, okay? Come and join me, okay? Tara!
Port Royale.
So what's going on is I was surprised kasi nakita ko itong unggoy na to, itong gorilla na to. I didn't expect kung ano siya. So ngayon ko na nakita, CR pala siya. Ayan o, CR. So nakakagulat. So yun nga mga KAMANIX, so I was surprised nung nakita ko siya. Pero mamaya, i-try natin mamaya i-check, okay? Hi guys! Hi! Oh, shoutout naman kayo sa mga friends nyo.
Hey, hello mga friends! Welcome to Dumaguete. You need to try to visit at the waterpark. What's the channel?
I'll show you my channel later. Hi!
What up? What's up? Hi YouTube!
We are here in Port Royale mga KAMANIX, so I'll show you already what you can find here in Port Royale mga KAMANIX. So today mga KAMANIX, I'm just wanted to promote this. Actually, not really want to promote, but something like that to promote the Port Royale. Because this is the first time we had it here in Dumaguete mga KAMANIX. The Port Royale, it's like the Royal Caribbean in Bacolod mga KAMANIX. So according to the owner, the Port Royale and the Caribbean Resort in Bacolod are sister companies, so that's why you can see some of their flights here are the same, looks the same as in Bacolod, the Caribbean Resort in Bacolod mga KAMANIX. So we are here right now showing you how beautiful it is in Port Royale in Dumaguete. So come and join mga KAMANIX, let's explore, join me, come with me, exploring the Port Royale, okay? Let's go! So we have a guest here mga KAMANIX. Hi!
MC! Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
So what's up?
Oh, shout out!
Shout out sa mga inutak ko dyan. Kailangan mga Johnny Sins, idol ko yan.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Enjoy ha. Enjoy. Okay.
It's 100% fun.
Yeah. Hey, kung ano kayo ulit?
Ulo! Try this! Try mo yan guys!
So anyway mga KAMANIX, as you can see mga KAMANIX, we are all enjoying here because this is really newly open here in Dumaguete, and I already show you earlier where's the location of this resort, and it's newly opened last October 24. And in this area this is the area where can you find the slides. So yeah, and people love to do the slides. Yan, diba?
Hello!
Hi! Like and subscribe! Like and subscribe! Exploring the PHP money!
Ingat ka, ingat!
Share! Comment!
Okay mga Mike, so we are already done here sa taas.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you. So we are going to check another location. This is the second floor of this building. Kung if you're afraid of the heights mga KAMANIX, you can try this second floor. Yeah. This is the second floor mga KAMANIX if you want to go down. Slide, kasi there are 3 slides. Meron sa taas, meron dito, and meron dito sa baba. Yung, I think this one is part of this. So only 2 slides mga KAMANIX, 2 slides. So check natin, okay? Hello. Balik na naman. Thank you. Dito na siya. Kaya baba tayo mga KAMANIX. What's up mga KAMANIX? Our guest here, James. Hi po. Hello po.
Hello.
Ayan. So actually meron sinuggest sa akin si Sir James regarding sa safety nest dito sa resort, which is really maganda naman siya. No, wala naman tayong reklamo about the safety nest. Meron lang siyang gustong i-advise sa mga viewers natin, sa mga manonood na if in case na you want to come here, just be careful guys, no. Actually, ano ho ba na experience niyo ulit? Supposed to be in that slide yung sa taas, yung nakita niyo kanina,
Sobrang bilis at saka ang bigat ko, dapat makalkula mabuti.
Oo. So it means dapat ho pala,
Overweight ako eh.
before you do yung mag-slide, before you choose sliding, consider nyo yung weight niyo at saka yung size niyo kasi there's no way to brake, di ba ho ba? Walang way na makapag-preno sila eh. So tuloy-tuloy talaga kasi the velocity of the slide, nakita niyo naman kanina, di ba mga KAMANIX, pinakita ko sa inyo, it's really hard kasi pag walang preno, and then tuloy-tuloy, ang bagsak ko mahirap, di ba?
Yes, in fact, may preno tinuro.
Meron preno. Okay.
Ibaba ko
You have the bend.
Pero pag
Okay.
binaba ko, ang nakakatakot lang, bigla ako sumirko.
Yung ano kasi yung
Ang bilis
speed,
eh.
ang bilis niya. So pag binaba mo nga naman siyang gano'n.
Pag binigla mo.
Pag binigla mo kasi siyang ibaba ng gano'n, baka mamaya bumaliktad ka. Oo. Yan ang delikado mga KAMANIX. So yun, anyway, thank you so much po sa advice ninyo mga KAMANIX. To those of you who are planning to come here, I'm not saying na delikado talaga, no, but it's your own risk na lang talaga na kailangan you have to be aware of your weight and height na rin siguro and how you control. Kasi if you don't know how to do it mga KAMANIX, baka mangyari magkaroon kayo ng aksidente or mga problema, di ba? Like what happened to Kuya, di ba? Nagkaroon kayo ng konti sugat, tama ba?
Konti sugat lang.
Konti sugat sa tuhod siguro. He was trying to brake siguro na naitukod niya siguro sa corner ng edge ng slide. So yun, nasugatan. So which is not really good. So mga KAMANIX, aware lang ha. Okay? Ayun po, shoutout naman kayo sa mga
Okay, so ingat lang po at kung overweight tayo, huwag na lang dito natin sa mababaw.
Oo nga po eh. O baka gusto nyo batiin, yung mga gusto nyo batiin. Hi sa family nyo.
Hi to every Dumagueteños at sa mga taga Maynila na papakasya dito. Enjoy lang.
Ayun. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Ayun, maraming salamat mga KAMANIX. Let's explore more, okay?
Port Royale.
Enjoy po ba kayo? Enjoy.
Enjoy na enjoy!
Welcome to Port Royale. Punta kayo dito at maligo kayo.
Hey, what's up mga Kamanix? So, nandito ngayon si Mario. Mario, hi. Hello. Hi.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Sabi mo, Mario, earlier is, ang lalim nito is like 4 feet only. Lahat yan, di ba? Okay. Actually, this is a former El Oriente resort and then, binili ba nila ang El Oriente or paano ba to? Or it was partnered with the El Oriente?
Nagrenta lang siguro sila.
Ah, okay, okay. Anyway, mga Kamanix, so yun nga. So, I already show you the price of per room. Mamaya, I think all of the rooms are the same, di ba? 3 beds ang nasa room nila.
Merong 1 double bed. Tapos,
1 double bed.
Yung sa Deluxe Double, 1 double bed. Tapos yung sa Deluxe Twin,
Okay.
2 single beds with pullouts.
Ah, okay.
Tapos yung Premier Triple is 3 single beds.
3 single bed. Wow. So anyway, mga Kamanix, if you are planning to stay here for a night and to enjoy the whole resort, you can come and visit, especially for those mga viewers ko who are from Bacolod, from Manila, or if you're my viewers from the US or foreigners, you can come and visit this place, Port Royale. And then a good thing about this resort, mga Kamanix, is that it's really wide and malawak and it's newly open. So this is the first time we had it here in Dumaguete, mga Kamanix, na ganitong klaseng resort. And I already show you the price of the resort, mga Kamanix. So since I already show you the resort in the morning, now let's check and find out at the night time naman, di ba? Check natin kung gaano ka cozy, kung gaano kaganda ang resort na ito pag sa gabi. Para naman yung mga takot sa araw, yung mga takot sa araw, and they can come and visit, they can come here at early as 6 o'clock in the evening until what time? Until 10 o'clock ng gabi. Okay, yes. Until 10 o'clock ng gabi, mga Kamanix. So, come and visit dito sa Port Royale. So, come on guys, check it out. Samahan nyo ako, ikutin natin ang Port Royale sa gabi. Tara! So mga Kamanix, while I'm relaxing and waiting, chilling, habang chinecheck ko yung resort, mga Kamanix, I'm with Michelle. Michelle, hi Michelle. Hello. Hi. Ayan. Yeah, so siya po yung lifeguard dito sa resort. Would you like to greet your family or shout out ka naman sa mga relatives mo or sino man gusto mo i-shout out?
Mga friends ko lang, yung family ko lang, kayo lahat.
Yeah, okay, thank you, Michelle. So mga Kamanix, we are already here inside the room. Ito yung mga rooms nila. Ito yung mga bed. Ayan, tatlo yung bed. Anong tawag dito sa room na to?
This room is Premier Triple.
Premier Triple. By the way, si Lay.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Lay. Hi, Lay. So yun, sabi ni Lay, this is a Premier Triple. How much is this? Mga ganito?
This is 5,800.
5,800. Yes. Wow. So they can stay here, no? Anong oras yung check-in and check-out time normally?
Check-in is 2 p.m. and check-out is 12 noon.
12 noon and check-out. Wow. So they have cables here. They have refrigerator. Netflix. So online.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so wala silang Sky Cable or something. Netflix. Mas social, di ba? Wow. They have refrigerator. Ayun, ayan. So yun, na-tour tayo. Sabi ni sa akin ni is lahat ng rooms the same?
Yes, sir.
The same
rooms here sa line na ito.
So anong difference nila? Bakit yung iba mas mataas yung price, yung iba mas mura? Bakit?
The other rooms, sir, are located in El Oriente.
Yung pala yun.
Those are old rooms, sir. Yes.
Okay, so yung rooms na dito banda, all the rooms in this area are same price, which is 5,800. Good for how many person?
For 3, sir.
For 3. So how about kung family with kids and everything, that's okay?
That's okay, sir, but
they don't
because
have...
we don't limit
there's no limitation people.
Basta they will pay the extra entrance for the extra persons.
Like how much is the per person?
For example, 6 sila, and then the only free are 3 people.
Okay.
So the other 3 will pay the extra entrance.
And
which
how much
is
is
300 pesos.
300 until next day na yun?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's good. At least you have to pay only 300 pesos per
Pero for now pa lang po yun.
Doing
We
the same,
don't know if...
tataas sila. Oh, that's okay. Kasi if you're 6, it's better to stay here rather than sa El Oriente. Napakalayo. Really, El Oriente is really far from here. This is closest to the entrance and you're in front of the pool. Ayan yung mga KAMANIX. So, front of the pool ka na. So, talagang lahat ng event nandito. Same thing happened when I was in Bacolod, yung Caribbean Resort. Same thing here in front of the resort siya. Meron sila doon. The difference lang is meron silang up and down doon. Dito yata wala, no? It's only this lang. Ayun. Thank you so much. Would you like to meet your friends?
Yeah,
Hi,
I would like to say hi to my friends and my family. I'm here at Port Royale.
Okay, thank you. Okay guys, samahan nyo guys. Thank you. So mga KAMANIX, I'm here on the top of the slides. Yung kanina pinuntahan ko kanina umaga. Ito yun, dyan yun. Yung kung saan nagaganap yung mga slides kanina, di ba? They really enjoy. And dito naman yun kung gusto mong mag-slide. Yan. Unfortunately mga KAMANIX, I would like to inform you guys na sa gabi, bawal na po yung slide na ganito. So only, ito lang allowed nila. So ganun daw sabi nila. So, the difference between night and day mga KAMANIX, if takot kayo sa init, takot kayo sa init at ayaw nyo mangitim at gusto nyo pa rin mag-swimming and enjoy, you can come and visit like 5 or 6 in the afternoon, gabi na. They're open until 10 o'clock in the evening, so come and enjoy the pool. It's a long, wide pool, 4 feet lang yung height nyan. So, doon sa kabila naman for kids, that is 3 feet lang yung height nyan. So, yeah, overall, all in all, I can say safe siya. Wala kang dapat alalahanin. And yung may-ari mismo, they are very friendly, and if you need something, you can approach them anytime. If you have any complaint, marami tayong lifeguard na nakikita dito, kanina ko pa napapansin. Maraming susupport sa inyo if you need something or if you have any problem at all, okay? And there's also a room over there. You see those are rooms mga KAMANIX, those are rooms. If you want to stay overnight, it's allowed. I show you already the price. You can come and visit this place. Okay? So now mga KAMANIX, I'm going to end up my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy watching my vlog for today. The reason why I'm doing this because I'm happy to show you guys na meron na tayong ganito, that we have this kind of resort here in Dumaguete. So mga KAMANIX, maraming salamat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell and share this video, click like button and comment below if you have any more question or if you want me to suggest to vlog something else, let me know, okay? Thank you so much mga KAMANIX. Paalam!